Here's American gladiators. Watch this. Shut up. Go back to bed, America. Here is American gladiators. Here is 56 channels of it. Watch these pituitary retards bang their fucking skulls together and congratulate you on living in the land of freedom. Here you go, America. You are free to do as we tell you. You are free to do as we tell you. Go back to bed, America. Your government is in control again. Here, watch this. Shut up. You are free to do as we tell you. You are free to do as we tell you.
Here's rhythm, here's cola, here's pizza, here's TV, here's some rock and some roller. Watch commercial, more commercial, watch Jerry, not Oprah. Buy a better life from the comfort of your sofa. Here's popcorn, here's magazine, here's milkshake, here's blue jeans, here's padded bars, here's armpit wax, here's football shirt, here's baseball cap, here's live talk shows, here's video games, here's cola light, here's pinball, here's filter tips, here's college bliss, here's all night ball, here's plastic guilt. We want your soul. We want your soul. We want your soul. We want your soul. We want your soul.